sometimes you want to carry a wig, like, I mean, not human hair wig, just something different, and you feel like you don't know how to create this wig for yourself. So if you are planning to make a twisted wig for yourself, like what I'm making right now, I'm going to walk you through on how you can make this hair for yourself. I spoke with my friend some days ago, and when I saw there's this wig I saw on her, the wig was not that okay. And I asked her, she said she paid 50 euros for it. I was like, what? I know in Germany, in some places, you don't have people that make your hair. So one person you will see that will give you a lot of money to make just a wig for you. Then I told her, you see this wig you just made for 50 euros and the wig did not even come out so well. This 50 euros will be more than enough for me to buy the wig cap I'm going to use and the hair I'm going to use on the wig. Imagine you buying after you buy the wig cap and buy the hair you want to sew on the wig, someone took 50 euros from you just to make it for you. And she said the lady even said it's even more than that. She just did it for her because she knows her. I was like, wow. So that is why I put it upon myself that since I'm going to make wig for myself, let me just share this video so that if there's any person out there, you are looking for a way to create hairstyle, a way to create this kind of wig, and you don't know how to do it, this is the right video for you. So first thing first, once you are done sewing your wig, I hope you were seeing the way I was using the crochet pin to put the wig on the hair, on the cap, put the hair on the cap. So, and after you do that, you see the way I'm doing it now. Just take it, and as you are twisting it, you are taking it like this. Use the other hand to hold it. Just hold on. I'm going to show you very well the way you can do it. So this is the first step. I'm going to show you these 3 steps you can use. This is number 1. So in case this one is too hard for you, maybe kind of difficult for you to follow, just hold on. I'm going to show you the other step. This one, I was putting my hand inside my hand. So this second one I'm going to take now, I'm going to take my time to show you and to explain it to you on how you can do it. First, when you share hair like this, you twist it. You put it on top of one hand, which the one that is in your hand, you transfer it to the other hand just like this. And you are using the other hand to hold the one you have twisted before. And the one you take with this your right hand, this one, you twisted it already. You use the other hand, which is your left hand, to hold it like this. And you take that one again, you twist it. You use it. So what you are doing now is the hand you have twisted already, you are using that hand to hold it. So you don't need to twist the both side. So yeah, you see the way I'm doing it now. When you put it on top of your hand, you use your 3 fingers inside, which is the middle finger, the ring finger, and the baby finger, to hold it. And the one you are bringing from your left hand to take to your right hand, and from your right hand to your left hand, you put it on top of your thumb, and you use your index, your index finger to hold it, and just to make the hair, put the hair on top of it. If you see it right now, you see that my thumb and my thumb and my index, they are the one working together. Just keep watching. Do you understand how I was explaining it? Because my baby, you see my baby was kind of pushing the hair, so that's why I had to take care of her first. So you see the way I'm doing it, just put it on top of your thumb, and this one now is you are just using the male hand, which is your thumb and your index. You see, thumb and index finger, just like so. Your right hand, will use to take it to your thumb, then it will be on top of your thumb and your index. You see the way it is now. So you use the other hand to pin it inside. Just keep rolling it. Keep rolling it. Keep rolling it. Don't let it go off your hand. Just keep rolling it the way I'm doing it now. Can you see that? Just keep rolling it. Just like so. Roll it. Take it. So the only hair you are twisting here right now is the one you are holding with your right hand, not with your left hand. And you see the 2. This is the second one. So now, after this now, I'm going to show you how I also do the third one. the way it can be also easy for you. So just take it just like this. So for example, you want to yeah, okay, we are making wig. This is not natural, this is not hair. So I will also be making another hair tutorial how to start it with a hair. So now when you twist it, take it to one side, also the same way with the one we just created, but this one is quite different, but because this one will be going inside your hand. You see, when you twist it, you put it inside your hand, use all your hand to hold it inside there, just like this. So, and when before you take it, you will see that you are using your middle finger and your ring finger is the one that is doing the most work, after your thumb and your index is holding it there. So your middle finger and your ring finger, you see, when you use your middle and your ring finger to hold it, but when you want to take it away, you still keep your ring finger, then your middle finger is the one that will push it away from that hand. Look, just, you know, like this. You see, now it's going to, when you take that one, you are taking it back. As you are taking it back, like as you are taking it inside your hand, you will use your ring finger to push that one off your hand, the one that is in your hand before. Then this one, you take it again. So you see, just like so, as you are taking it inside, you are using that your hand to push that one off. Then you keep, that's how you get it. This one is the one you twist inside your hand. So when I'm twisting, when I'm doing twisting with this style, this is the fastest way for me to twist hair. When I'm twisting my hair this way, you cannot beat me. You can't beat me when it comes to this twisting, because I have about 4 to 5 ways of doing twisting hair. But this one I'm making right now, the one I put inside my hand, when I'm twisting the hair inside my hand, I'm very, very fast, and the hair is very smooth, because as you are twisting it, you are, because I'm putting it inside my hand, so my thumb and my index finger, they are just kind of smoothing the hair along with it. Do you understand what I'm trying to explain? So these 3 ways, I hope you will learn how to take one of these. So this is just my little way of trying to show you how to twist, and the way you will not have to be paying much. If you want to make wig for yourself, this is what you can be learning. Just be learning it. You must not do it perfect. First time, it might not be perfect, you know, it's normal. Keep doing it, and I believe when you put your effort, you will know it in just like, let's say 2-3 hours, you will do it. When you do it, you don't get it, lose it, redo it again, lose it, redo it again. Before you know, you'll be a professional. You know, everybody that know how to do hair now, they learn it. So when you learn it, I believe and I know you can also do it. So thank you so much. Like and share, and also subscribe if you are not subscribed. Thank you, and I hope you learn from this hairstyle, and I want to know in the comment section what you think about it. Bye for now.